Good afternoon, Thad. I'm Rebecca Huddleston, and I spoke to you earlier today. And in this video, I wanted to go over your guys' website and just go through a couple of things that you can do to really improve it and help people find your website. And if at the end of this video, you simply just want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. My goal is just to help businesses around me grow. So the first thing I wanted to go over is your guys' website and layout. So as you guys can see, you guys have a really simple layout. You don't have any pages they can go to, you just have one page. You guys have your click to call phone number, click to email, address, one picture, a before and after. Just very simple. And the biggest thing that I see is your guys' content. Right here is all the content you guys have. And Google really likes to see 1,500 words on just the home page and with 10 to 15 keywords. And the reason that's so important is Google has these people called crawlers that go through and read websites to determine where your website fits in. And they use the content and keywords to help determine that. So we'll go up here to Google. And as you can see, I just typed in auto repair Watertown, South Dakota. Right here, you guys have your map pack. And usually if somebody's running ads for Google, they pop up right here above the map pack. And then if you scroll down, right here is the organic section. That's where your guys' content and keywords would really play their role. As you can see, Sherbetsky Auto Repair is number 1. Service Plus South Dakota is number 2. Rob's Auto Repair is number 3. So they're all ranked really good right here. So if we go up here, I'm comparing you guys to the Sherbetsky Auto Repair. As you can see with their website, it's completely different from your guys's. They have different tabs up here for what different jobs they have. Warranties, testimonials, they have coupons. They have their click to call phone number up here. They have their address, Facebook, Google, and Yelp. And if we scroll down here, they have pictures that scroll through here. They have meet your team. They have some content right here. Their services, testimonials again, and then they have a contact us deal, and then they have their location down here at the bottom. And then down here they have a list of all their services and hours and a little about section. So where they have you guys beat is they have more pages to their website and they have more content on their homepage, but they don't nearly have the 1,500 words that Google really likes to see. So that would make them super easy to outrank. And we'll go up here to a paid tool I have called Ahrefs. I'm going to have your guys' website brought in. This number right here is your UR, which shows how much Google trusts you. And then your DR is how much power you guys have through Google. And as you guys can see, you guys don't have any power. And both of these numbers relate directly to the number of backlinks and referring domains you guys have. And as you guys can see, you only have 9 and then 8. And of your guys' 8 referring domains, only 4 of them are really trusted. And only 4 of your guys' backlinks are really trusted. So really adding more trusted backlinks would get those numbers up and get you guys ranked as well. And you guys only have 15 keywords in your little bitty description area here. So we'll go here and look at those. We have Bernie's Body Shop, which has a 80 volume, which means 80 people Google that per month. You have Auto Repair Watertown, South Dakota, which has 50. Bernie's Auto has 200. Watertown Body Shop has 30. Watertown Auto Body has 60. Bernie's Auto Repair has 80. The ones you really want to focus on are like Watertown, South Dakota Auto Body. Because I do believe there's also a Watertown, Wisconsin. But we'll go up here to Sherbetsky's and Ahrefs. As you can see, they have a 17 for trust and a 0.5 for power. So that'd be super easy to outrank them. They have 41 backlinks over 18 referring domains. And of their referring domains, 9 of them are really trusted, and 16 of their backlinks are really trusted. So that would make it super easy to outrank them on that as well. Where they really have you guys beat is their #1 keyword is auto repair Watertown, South Dakota, which is exactly what was typed into Google to find them. And that has a 50 volume. We'll scroll down here and see what other good high number ones. Napa Watertown, I'm not sure how that really plays a role on their website. They have a lot referring to Napa. Auto repair website, that's a national keyword. Watertown auto repair 30. Brake services near me, that's a national keyword. Radiator repair near me, another national keyword. But just going through both of these, it'd be super easy for you guys to outrank them by just simply revamping your website, getting some content and some more pages, and getting your keywords in there and getting some trusted backlinks and referring domains. But if you like what I had to show you in this video, you guys can give me a call at 605-250-7077. Or if you guys just simply want to reply to my email, that'd be great too. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you.